Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Kia Stinger Premium. So back before 2020, I think they came out with the GT line. This was the non-GT Stinger. This is the 2-liter Stinger with the turbocharged 4-cylinder. Still a ton of fun to drive. Not much has changed between this and the GT line, but it's still an absolutely phenomenal car, even in its base trim. See, what I like about the Premium, the 2-liter Stinger, is the headlights are the exact same as the GT. So this, it's like they almost downgraded the 2-liter, and this was the so-called better version of the 2-liter. Aurora Black is the exterior color on this one. I don't think they... Yep, it's 2-liter twin scroll turbo 4-cylinder. Total price of $40,200. Only option this one had is carpeted floor mats. Other than that, this is the premium trim all-wheel drive. And to show you, it's just lucky enough that they have the brochure for the 2020 Stinger. Let's see if they have the 2-liter headlights. Probably not. With my luck. Yeah, they don't even show the 2-liter headlights. Yeah, you can see the GT line. It's the same basic car. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take this car out on the road. The Stinger was the first time I looked at a Kia and said, wow, you know, your jaw drops when you see the Stinger in person. It's just that beautiful. And even in 2-liter trim, it's absolutely fantastic. Very, very balanced, very nimble. It's a rear-biased all-wheel drive system, so it's just that much more fun to drive. It definitely feels extremely balanced, and you can kind of tell in the 2-liter you have a lighter front end. That's good and bad. That's excellent because it does feel a little bit more darty, almost a little bit more of an autocross hero in a roundabout way. But it is very, very good. It's just... I would compare... I think I've said this in other videos of the Stinger. I would compare this with the BMW 330i. I would compare it with. Whereas the GT is right between an M3 and the M340i. It's like right in the middle. You have to think about it. It's 20 grand, less than a base M3 for a fully loaded Stinger. That I don't even know if the M3 can sit there and make up that $20,000 difference, just because of how phenomenal of a package the Stinger really is. I can't get enough of them personally, and I know these 2 liters lease like nobody's business. This one's a used example that we have, 24,000 miles on her. Still looks phenomenal. The Stinger is a car and a half. I'm gonna go ahead and put it into manual mode. Okay. Wow. Just wow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.